up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're gonna show you installation of the exhaust, intake, and coilover sonar. Okay guys, quick update. I didn't get to record the coilover installation because I had to leave before that. I had to go somewhere else, so I'm not gonna be posting the coilover installation. So I'm just gonna do the intake and the exhaust because that's the only thing I got before I had to leave. So I'm sorry about that, guys, but let's get back to the video and hope you guys enjoy. LEXUS on the IS250 LEXUS 2014 Fsport, and today we are engine build performance. You already know. I'm gonna be posting the information there too, so you can hit them up. And I'm with the squad today. I don't know who's that, but whatever. I'm with the squad today, and yeah, we're gonna show you the before and after installations of the intake, the exhaust, and coilover. So stay tuned and let's get popping with it. Alright, so this is the car, guys. This is the car. You know, I got the exhaust right there, stock exhaust. Hopefully you guys see it. Got that, but first we're gonna start with the intake. So I'm gonna go over there into the front. Yo, by the way, my man's the Stance Garage. Make sure you follow that nigga on YouTube too. My man J Bags right here in the cut. The owners of the shit. My man Angel Built. We got Teddy So with the bags too. You know what I'm saying? That's the stock intake right there. So intake we put it on today, bro.
It's an AFE Takeda Stage 2 intake.
Oh yeah? Where? It's right there. And what exhaust?
INVIDIA.
INVIDIA? Got the whole exhaust right here. You know what I'm saying?
Q300 with the burnt titanium tips.
What was that?
Q300 with the titanium burnt tips.
Oh, where? What about the suspension?
We're doing D2.
D2?
D2 racing. Coils.
Hey, you think this is gonna be nice? Sound nice too?
It should.
Alright, let's get it. Let's see what we find.
I just like the sound of it.
Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, that's the owner. That's Chino. Lexus gang. Oh, by the way, shout out to Stella, you know what I'm saying? My favorite beer.
Open. No, it's the perks.
Yo guys, by the way, I got the new hat, you know what I'm saying? Feeling fresh today.
I just like the sound of it.
That shit looks better now, man. Alright. What do you think, Chino? You fuck with it?
Just because once it gets to high RPM, that's when it opens up completely.
Hell yeah, especially at the highway. It's gonna be sexy. What you think, Angel?
Sound good?
Sound good, right?
What?
Alright, so I'm right here with Steven from AA Fab, and this is a car built by Angel Built, you know what I'm saying? But it also got AA Fab work to it. You know what I'm saying? Got the catch can, the whole turbo kit and everything. But what you exactly do for like the cars like this?
I do just custom fabrication, so anywhere from manifolds, intercoolers, piping, catch cans. So like he said on this one, I did intercooler, piping, catch can, and the full exhaust on this one.
The full exhaust?
So yeah, full turbo kits.
Oh yeah. And where you located, bro?
Yeah, we're in Hanover, PA.
There, let's see some work, you know what I'm saying? It's fucking beautiful. As you can see, AA Fab. The whole catch can right there. And got the bottom right here with the intercooler.
Archangel Fab or AA_Fab on Instagram.
On
Just hit me
Instagram
up.
and so and Facebook too.
Yeah, Facebook, Archangel Fab.
Well guys, so I'm gonna be posting his information on the description below. If not, in the post that I'm gonna post to that. But make sure to hit him up, check his workout. It's great with work. And like I said, we out here at Angel Belt doing things, ain't?
Yep, hell yeah.
You already on.
Put it that way. If I wanted to know
What
how
up?
to put on exhaust, I would look it up. I know how to do it. I'm just thinking about it.
Gotta love Rush, eh?
Hell yeah. But it's easy. It looks, well, to me it's easy. For you guys that are watching, if you don't think this is easy, I don't know what's wrong with you.
And the snap. Hope and snap. Then when that bolt snaps and that spring pushes it out and slaps you in the face,
Oh,
that fucks up your day.
that's really fun, ain't it? Check it out.
So I'm trying to get dirty. No, bro.
I'll hold this right here.
Bro, we doing an exhaust and you over here talking about cerveza, bro. He like muchacho. Nigga, just put that thing.
How many dicks does it take to take a look?
See, that's one now. I need another one.
Watch your eyes.
With your eyes. I need those squirts. Squirter. You didn't get no fucking rubber at all. Yo.
Yo, Angel, can you make any more noise, bro?
I'm making noise and heat. Look at that.
Ah, shit.
Big game.
El diablo. Yo, I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see, guys, but that nigga just got pulled over right now. That nigga stressed right now. But we keep working. Keep working. Keep working. Cállate, bro. You gotta put that shit over there. Look, that's the new joint. Yo, that shit is huge, bro. Look at that shit. Look at the difference. El diablo, you can fix that shit. Now try to do the stock one.
Un dedo.
2 fingers and a whole fist.
You know why I'm putting you over today, sir?
No, I don't know. Motherfucker.
No, they're not. They try to see the difference in.
Now you're good. Go ahead. Sounds quiet. Sounds quiet, but I like it. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds like husky, but not loud, like raspy loud. You know what I mean?
I don't want to be in a comfy ass car to go.
Yeah. You ain't driving a Honda, so you're good money. You feel me? Like, it sounds good.